We'll guide you through how to download CurseForge. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So CurseForge is great for getting mods on games and mod packs. We're primarily focusing on Minecraft, but you can go and use this for other games as well, like Palworld. So let's go and get right into this. What you need to do is go and open up a browser of your choice. I'll go and use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Now, before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're looking for a Minecraft server host or another game host, you can see them at the top here. Go and check out the link down below in the pinned comment and the description. Right now, you can get 25% off your first order, so it's definitely worth checking out. They've got great features if we come down here, like 24/7 servers and support, so you can get the help anytime you need it. Automated backups, unlimited slots, and a free subdomain. And you can use it on other games as well, so check them out if you're interested. But to continue with the guide, what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice, come to a search engine, and you can go and type in CurseForge like so. Then you can come to curseforge.com. So as you can see, you can start browsing through the different games they support here, and you can go and download mods directly from them. But we're going to be focused on getting the app, as I find the app to be better. You can do more different things with it. So go to the top right and you can press Get CurseForge App. You can get it on Overwolf, but we're going to be getting it standalone in today's video, so press that there. The installer has now gone and downloaded, so you can come out of your web browser. You need to go and open up your file explorer, and you can come to your downloads to the left and find the installer. Double click on it like so, and it should then go and launch. In the bottom left, choose your language, and then you can go and press Next. Brought here, you can see the installation folder. Make sure you accept the terms of use and privacy policy, and you can confirm you're at least 18 years old. Press Next in the bottom right. Read this through. If you accept it, press Accept and Install, and the process will now go and begin. It's going to go and download what it needs. As previously, we just downloaded the installer. When the download is finished, it's going to automatically start installing. All you need to do is go and wait while this goes and completes. When it's finished, it'll go and start the next step. It will ask you about recording, but we'll just press no thanks for now, and it should then go and start the main install. Go and wait. When it's finished, it's going to go and automatically open, and I'll show you that at the point. You'll see I've got some packs here as I've used it before, but what you need to do is go over to the left and choose the game, as there can be multiple in here. You need to go and own and have the game installed for it to appear. But if you do though, and it's not showing up, press the plus, add a game, and you can go and scan the computer for games, or you can go and manually go and add it there. So here we are. So you can go and select the game, and you can go and start getting packs by pressing browse at the top, wait for it to load. And then what you can do is go and choose what you're looking for, whether that's all, mod packs, data packs, you can go through here. So let's go and say you wanted a mod pack, you can select that, and then browse through here and find the pack you want. You can always go and search at the top as well. Then what you can do is go over to the right and press install, and it'll then go and start the process, and that's it. When it's finished, it's going to go and appear in my mod packs, as you can see. And what you can then do is go and hover over it, and you can go and launch them by pressing play, and you can go and start playing it. It's really simple. When it's finished, it'll change to play, and it'll be in my mod packs as well. Press play, and you can then get playing. The launcher will open, and you can then press play. You need to understand the risk, and you can confirm by pressing play there. So now we can go and get playing. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.